Let's start from the beginning, Janae. You called Nextiva support to check on your open case status. Rochelle picked up the phone. And then what happened?
She said hi, and then we chatted like we always do. But then I mentioned the case number, and that's when she said I can get my updates on the admin portal now anytime I want. And I don't have to call her anymore.
And why did this upset you at the time?
Well, how am I gonna talk to my Nexty bestie? We talk every week, and now she just takes that away like I mean nothing?
Oh, Janae, I don't think she took it away. It sounds to me like you can still have your Nextiva online service and call your... What did you call her again?
My Nexty bestie.
Right. I don't see why you couldn't talk to your Nexty bestie and still have the best of both worlds. It doesn't sound to me like she gave you up.
Okay. I can do this. I can get Nextiva's self-service online and still talk with my Nexty bestie.
I believe in you, Janae. This is a new chapter for you and your business.
With Nextiva's new self-service, you can view your account at a glance, check case status, and add or change users or services, all while still having your Nexty bestie. Nextiva. Get the new self-service portal, keep your Nexty bestie.